Back here again with the Winchester 06. All the parts are clean now. One thing I want to say about the hammer real quick is if you remember, it was broken. This hammer, its ear broke off of the other side. If you remember, it was broke off. I've actually managed to repair it. So here's what I got. I'm going to be cold bluing today. So I got it all set up. I'm going to degrease with acetone, wipe it down, get everything re-degreased. I'm going to apply my cold blue solution. I have a bucket of water here, so I can dip it in after I've hit with the cold blue to stop the chemical reaction of the blue itself. I'm going to set it aside, let it set. Once it dries, I'll wipe it off with a clean towel, and then I'll buff it with some fine steel wool, and I'll keep repeating that process until it's taken a nice blue. It shouldn't take too much. The luster on these pieces are real nice. But I'm going to go ahead and degrease this, and I'll show you what we do with the oil once we get to that point. I'm going to go ahead and try to blue some of this here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put that in the water, and it'll stop it from the chemical reaction. Okay, I've got some pieces here. Got this piece here blued. It colored up pretty nice. So here's our pieces to be oiled. Get oil on them as soon as possible, and we'll send the next batch through. Want something to it's gonna harden, because right now, if I really wanted to, I could probably sit there with a paper towel and scrub this off. So you want to get an oil on there to neutralize it and make it hard, and let it cure. And like this piece right here, it doesn't look very dark, but after setting, it's gonna take, and it's gonna darken up pretty good. So I'll just stick it in there and really let it set. Another thing with this boiled linseed oil, you want to let it set for, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes, somewhere in that time frame. And what you want to do is wipe it off with a paper towel, light paper towel, whatnot. Reason being is this will set up like a lacquer, and you can leave it on there, it ain't gonna hurt nothing, but it's gonna be a pain to clean off once it sets up. And just wipe off the oil, you know, and leave the oil behind, obviously some, but you don't want this really thick coat like I'm putting on now to remain. I've done that. It's pain to clean off, but I really like using boiled linseed oil for this. It really seems to do the job really well, and they've been using boiled linseed oil for this for a long time, back in the rust blue days. So it's not like it's a new idea. It's using boiled linseed oil has been around. and it's becoming a favorite of mine. I've already degreased these here. Now I'm just gonna put the solution on it. You can see right there it's different colors. Let's see if I can't hold it. So you can kind of see different oil looking patterns. You just lightly go over it and then it'll blend. See? Just like that, yep. Perfect. Just like all the other parts. Okay, now she's oiled. And now, you just gotta let it set and cure up. Just kinda take a towel here, and a terry towel or an old t-shirt. Just kinda, just give everything a, just kind of a final wipe down. Turned out really nice. Bead blasting is the way to go when you cold blue. It looks brand new, so took really nice. Just nice and dark. That's the way we like it. So anyway, don't forget to leave a like, and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.